Welcome to our comprehensive guide on earwax removal in Letchworth and Hitchin. If you're struggling with earwax buildup and need professional help, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best options for earwax removal, specifically focusing on the highly recommended microsuction method. When it comes to earwax removal in Letchworth, there are several top-notch clinics to choose from. Microsuction is considered the gold standard for ear cleaning due to its safety and effectiveness. We'll guide you on how to book an appointment for microsuction earwax removal in Letchworth, ensuring you receive the best care possible. At the Elle Hale Fitness Studio, located in the Devonshire Business Centre on Works Road, Letchworth Garden City SG6, you'll find a dedicated earwax clinic. This facility is renowned for its exceptional service and skilled professionals. We'll provide all the details you need to book your appointment and get your ears cleaned by experts. Hitchin is another location where you can find excellent earwax removal services. Whether you're looking for traditional ear cleaning or the advanced microsuction method, Hitchin offers some of the best clinics. We'll share tips on how to book your earwax removal appointment in Hitchin and ensure you get the best possible treatment. Microsuction earwax removal is available in Hitchin as well, and we highly recommend it for its precision and comfort. We'll cover the benefits of this method and guide you on how to find the best microsuction services in Hitchin. For those living in or near Letchworth Garden City, the microsuction earwax removal service at the Elle Hale Fitness Studio is a top choice. We'll provide the contact details and website link so you can easily book your appointment and experience the best ear care in the area. Don't let earwax buildup affect your hearing and comfort. Watch this video to learn about the best earwax removal options in Letchworth and Hitchin, and take the first step towards clearer hearing today. For more information and to book your appointment, visit the link provided in the description and call +441,462,354,568.